Hello everyone, this is Code One's team. In this video, we are going to explain how GrizzlyAPI is handling security for users. First of all, let's check the security documentation section. It has the token configuration, the client ID, the security key and the token expiration. You got all what you need to generate and customize your token. You can notice that you have a default super user, it's the admin that can control every endpoint without additional permissions. Next, we have the roles. We have admin and user by default and we recently added manager. We can remove or re-add them. And we save. On the right, we have the two main endpoints of the security section. The sign-in and the sign-up endpoints that help you to add users to your application and get a token linked to each user after logging in. You can see the full documentation here, the curl request, the Angular implementation example, and even the expected response. We are going to use the curl request for both endpoints on Postman. For the sign-in, we get a token linked to the admin. For the sign-up, we are going to add this user as an example. What do I need all these roles in this sign-in API and all? Assume you will create an Angular application, for example, you will need a login, a sign-up and secured endpoints to use in order to create a complete functional application. It will take forever to code. GrizzlyAPI is here and we have prepared everything for you. Now, we will try every endpoint in this group. Before using each API, we need to copy the token that the /sign-in returned to use it as a header in every secured endpoint. You can check the security level of each API here. /all roles will display all the roles that exist in the application in order to assign them later. Of course this API is secured. So, we need to add the bearer token to the headers. /all users will display all the users of your application. You can notice that new users have a default role, which is user, and they are currently disabled. So, they need to be activated by the admin. When I use /sign-in with the information of the new user, it will not return me a token. /activate will be used by the admin to activate new users. It's a post request but it doesn't require any body. You need to insert the username of the user to activate as a request parameter. We can use the curl request to test each API directly in Postman. After activating the user, let's try the /sign-in again. Now, I have two tokens. One linked to the admin, and the other one linked to my new user. /grant will be used by admin to add the roles that we want to a certain user. We add the roles as an array in the body of the request. I'm going to affect user and manager to my new user John Doe. /update user will offer every user the capability of updating his own profile. We add the fields that we want to update in the body. For example, I'm going to update the admin's last name to Doe. Of course, I've been adding the token to every endpoint. /delete user, the admin can delete users using this API. I'm going to delete John Doe. And it's done. /me will display the data of the current user. That's the end of the video. Check our article in the description for more documentation. Thank you for your attention.